Hi, my name is David, and I'm going to walk you through how I solved the CSWP practice problem 13.5. And for this problem, I'm going to do two shells, a 15mm shell and then a 3mm shell. This one is fast, so I'm just going to speed through the problem and then explain the dimensions later. All right, let's jump into it with the front plane. So first I'm going to create the basic outer shape. And the dimensions will be a little bit funny, but you'll see why we're doing that in a second. So for the outer radius, I'm going to take the radius that was given, 28, add the 15, and subtract the 3. And we'll explain in just a little bit why. Let's make this centered at the origin, and then we'll set this vertical distance to 18. So then we can extrude 67 in this direction, and then in the other direction, 15 minus 3. Okay, that's going to be the lip on the other side. Okay, and then we'll jump into shell. We're going to shell 15, the top and the front. So that way we get this part of it. We get the kind of space on the inside. And then we're going to do another shell of 3 all around the outside here. Okay, and also the back. Oop. Almost didn't get that. All right, and we're done. Check the mass, or the volume. 3731.8.94, but that's going to round to 9. And that's exactly the volume in the answer key. So to explain some of the dimensions, basically for the main shape, what I did is drew this kind of shape. So I needed to create this arc right here. Didn't draw a very good arc, and that arc was going to have a radius of 28, which is this arc, but then plus, if I do plus the 15 for this part, like right here to here is 15. If I do plus 15, it's going to shoot me out a little bit too far, so I have to back up the thickness of the shell, the like sort of thin shell, which is 3. So that's this 3 right here. So that's why I did 28 plus 15 and then minus 3. Or you can think 28 minus 3, which gets you to here, and then plus 15 to get out to the end of the arc. All right, and then in terms of the little overhang right here, basically if I look from here to here, this is 15, but there's a little shell thickness of 3, so I have to subtract that. So if I look right here, it's going to be the shell, it's going to be the 15, but then minus this 3 right here. So that's why I extruded 15 minus 3 in that direction. So hopefully that explains a little bit about why I set the dimensions the way I did. And if you do two shells, it ends up being a very, very quick problem. So it's kind of a cool little problem. Thanks so much for watching. Take care and keep studying.